This is just going to be a quick review of the NUX Morning Star. So it's a BluesBreaker-style pedal, but kind of like the Morning Glory and the Prince of Tone, which is one side of the King of Tone. It has a bit more brightness, a bit more headroom, so it can stay cleaner, a little bit higher. So just wanted to kind of compare it to the two. So I don't actually have a Prince of Tone, but I have the Heir Apparent model from the Helix that I'm going to use to compare this to. So here's just the clean sound. So it's pretty clean. And then when I use this, here's the Morning Glory. And here's the Prince of Tone. So in this mode, they all sound pretty much identical. So the Prince of Tone and Morning Glory do have a lot more gain in them that you can get to, but because I don't actually use this pedal for high gain stuff, this is actually like amazing for what it is, and it's 35 Canadian dollars that I paid for it. So I just want to give you kind of an idea of what it can do. So first of all, it's in the shine mode right now. If you hold it, it goes off the shine mode and it's a bit less bright. And so that's a pretty cool feature that you can use in the middle of a song to kind of cut through if you need to. I'll kind of give you an idea of the sweep of the knobs. So it can get dirty, but not as much as the Morning Glory or the Prince of Tone. The level sweep. So it does get loud enough to drive the amp. And here's a tone. So I normally run everything pretty much at 1 o'clock in the shine mode. So if you're looking at a Morning Glory and Heir Apparent, or sorry, Prince of Tone, and you can't afford it, this is a fantastic alternative as long as you don't need that super high headroom that, for example, you can get with the Morning Glory. So it doesn't get as dirty, but it does what I need it to. Hopefully that helps.